Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Cummies token on your Trust Wallet application step by step. First of all, we're going to be opening up Google Chrome, and the website is coinmarketcap.com. The link to the video is going to be kept in the description, but the coin we're looking currently at is the CumRocket token. And what we're going to do is simply copy its wallet address like so. Click on copy and it's copied. We minimize and head over to our Trust Wallet application. While at Trust Wallet, you could simply use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen and search for Cummies. Search for CumRocket. CumRocket, here it is. And you could simply send and receive, but for those who can't find it on their wallets, we can click on add custom token, switch the network over to smart chain, paste the contract address and click on done. Boom, Cummies or CumRocket is made available to you on your Trust Wallet application. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try to swap our currencies, or rather buy the Cummies, by using the DApps section's PancakeSwap exchange by simply clicking on DApps, scrolling down to the popular section and clicking on PancakeSwap. You give PancakeSwap some time to load. Once it loads in, you check your wallet. That's this glowing wallet here. You click on it and if it shows you the option to disconnect, it means your wallet is connected. So all your coins and tokens are going to be made available to you. And what we're going to do right now is search for, or rather what we're going to do is paste the contract address. The traffic on this website makes it a bit slow, so we click on Cummies. And we're going to be using about 25% of our BNB. Or you could manually input your BNB here. Call it 0.01. That's $3.30 for about 1,128 Cummies. Okay guys, that's how you purchase the Cummies or the CumRocket coin on your Trust Wallet application. Comment down below if you have any questions, and have a good day.